Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. Welcome to the 6 days ethics का crash course. Today 10 a.m. का ये जो lecture है, we are going to solve few of the questions from 2022 GS paper 4. Through the question paper, we are going to focus on the important concepts in ethics that were asked in this year's question paper. इस साल के question paper में जो important core concepts थे हम उनको discuss करेंगे. All right. So I'm starting with this very wonderful question which was asked in this year's question paper in section A. Wisdom lies in knowing what to reckon and what to overlook. यानी कि बुद्धिमानी में निहित है कि किसका ध्यान रखा जाए और क्या अनदेखा किया जाए. That is correct. First, understand the lines of the question. How beautifully the question has been prepared. Wisdom lies in knowing what to reckon with and what to overlook. मतलब किसको attention देना है, किसको आपको ignore कर देना है. वही समझदारी है. Wisdom or correct mentality is knowing what is wrong and what is right, what to give importance to and what to ignore, right? An officer being engrossed with the periphery, ignoring the core issues before him, is not rare in bureaucracy. It's not rare to see such kind of officers who are just engrossed in idle things, who are just engrossed in not so important aspects and who ignore the core issues. ऐसा rare तो नहीं है. ठीक है, आप देखते हो हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी न्यूज आ ही जाती है कि किसी ऑफिसर ने ये कर दिया वो कर दिया. जो कोर इश्यूज हैं उनको नहीं देखते, आसपास की जो भी परिधि है उसमें लीन रहते हैं और ये दुर्लभ भी नहीं है. सो द क्वेश्चन हियर इज, डू यू अग्री दैट सच प्रीऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर लीड्स टू ट्रैवेस्टी ऑफ जस्टिस? क्या आप इस बात से सहमत हैं कि प्रशासक की इस तरह की व्यस्तता प्रभावी सेवा वितरण और सुशासन की लक्ष्य प्राप्ति की प्रक्रिया में न्याय की विडंबना है? That is the question. इसको आपको evaluate करना है, that too critically, pointing out both the pros and cons. Such an easy question. Now, when you open the paper, you see big, a paragraph-based question, you get scared. But when you read it and you understand the meaning, यहाँ तक जो meaning है वो समझ लेते हो, then it becomes very easy. Very small question, very easy question. The basically core concept that you need to cover here is, write it down, the core concept in this question which has been asked is information filtering. That is the core concept. ये core concept यहाँ पर पूछा गया है, information filtering. Whatever information as an officer you have, how you filter it, keeping in mind, keeping your attention over the core top data and ignoring the not so useful data. That is the part of bureaucracy. एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर के तौर पे या एक IAS, IPS, IRS के तौर पे आप कैसे दी हुई इंफॉर्मेशन को फिल्टर करते हो, उसमें से आपके लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है वो निकालते हो और जो यूजलेस है उस इंफॉर्मेशन को साइड में रख देते हो. दैट इज द विजडम ऑफ एन ऑफिसर. वो ऑफिसर का विजडम होता है, समझ होती है, समझदारी होती है. एंड दिस समझदारी इज गोइंग टू बी टेस्टेड इन योर पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट ऑल्सो. तो अभी मेंस में तो आपको एथिक्स के पेपर में आपके आंसर के थ्रू टेस्ट किया जाएगा. पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट में फेस टू फेस आपसे ये चीजें पूछी जाएंगी. सो दैट इज व्हाई पेइंग अटेंशन ऑन द एथिक्स पेपर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So here core concept that UPSC has tested is information filtering. Write it down. They are testing how you filter what is right and what is wrong. How you filter the given information. आप कैसे दी हुई information को filter करते हैं, ये टेस्ट करने के लिए question दिया गया है. Now you can start your answer with an introduction also. आप अपना आंसर इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. You can start your answer with a quotation also, right? आप अपने आंसर में quotation से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. The opening line can be a quotation also. Here I am quoting William James, the father of psychology in the USA. He used to say that art of being wise is the art of knowing what to overlook. Now the question says an officer being engrossed with the periphery, ignoring the core issues before him, is not rare in bureaucracy. You can see it often. So here we need to answer this question. We need to provide the reasons why this statement has been given. हमको critically evaluate करना है ना, तो ये statement क्यों दिया गया, इसके पीछे का reason क्या है, that we are going to explain. So the first important reason why an officer, we see often in news that some of the officers, they do not, pay attention to the core issues. They are engrossed, they are busy with the periphery only. मतलब ऊपर से बाहरी तरह से वो मैटर को देखते हैं, deeply inspect नहीं करते. क्यों ऐसा होता है? This happens not just with the officer. We are not just talking about an officer. We are talking about a human being also. right? Why this happens to a human being? Because first reason is the escapist attitude. पहला रीजन इसका हो जाएगा escapist attitude. Now who is an escapist? कौन है एक ये escapist कौन होता है? These are the people who want to create their own reality. They do not want to face the reality, the actual problem. वही escapist होते हैं जो reality से भागना चाहते हैं, अपनी बनाई दुनिया में जीना चाहते हैं, उन्हें हम escapist बोलते हैं. They fail to see the core issue because they are just concerned of what they think, what they perceive. They do not want to look at the actual situation. Actual situation देखना ही नहीं चाहते, right? उसको हम escapist attitude बोलते हैं. And when this attitude prevails and becomes dominant in a human being, then that person will never look into the core issues. That person would always ignore the actual situation, the real world. वो अपनी ही दुनिया में भागने की कोशिश करेगा, वो रियल वर्ल्ड को समझने की कोशिश ही नहीं करेगा. वो कोई ना कोई एस्केपिज्म ढूंढेगा अपना, ताकि मुझे रियल वर्ल्ड रियलिटी फेस ना करनी पड़े. दैट इज द एस्केपिस्ट एटीट्यूड. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट रीजन. सेकंड रीजन इज इनर्शिया. सेकंड रीजन हो जाता है इनर्शिया. इनर्शिया इन ब्यूरोक्रेसी. सो यू कैन से इनर्शिया इन ब्यूरोक्रेसी और ब्यूरोक्रेटिक इनर्शिया. ब्यूरोक्रेसी. Okay, bureaucratic inertia means a position in which bureaucratic principles and operations of an institution, they become so complex and time consuming that they prevent efficient operation of companies' core activities. Late लतीफी पना कि भाई फाइल अटकी हुई है, आगे बढ़ने ही नहीं दे रहे हैं, राइट? साइनिंग के लिए रुकी हुई है फाइल, ऊपर से परमिशन नहीं आ रही है. तो ये जो इनर्शिया है कि कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, that position affects the operation of an institution, and even the simplest work or task becomes time consuming. That is inertia and bureaucracy. जो आप कभी कभी गवर्नमेंट बैंक्स में भी देखते हो ना, बहुत ढीले ढीले धीरे धीरे काम चल रहा है. So that also is the reason why people or officers, they ignore the core issues. Next is, write it down, ego attitude or ego defensive attitude, ego protective attitude. Holding such kind of attitude that protects your own self-esteem or that justifies your actions, or holding those attitudes which are trying to protect you from any kind of criticism. That kind of ego, that kind of attitude also is the reason why people overlook the core issues. कि भाई उनको लगता है core issues में देखा हमने, झांका तो हमें अपनी गलती कहीं नजर ना आ जाए, इसीलिए क्या करते हैं लोग, core issues से दूर रहते हैं. Sometimes our own ego becomes our enemy. हमारा खुद का ईगो कभी कभी हमारा दुश्मन बन जाता है when it does not want to accept any kind of criticism. Now what can be the other reason that people try to ignore the core, the root problems and they overlook them? बाकी reason क्या हो सकते हैं? The reason can be that the person is rules bound, not value bound. यानी कि बंदा अपने वैल्यूज से नहीं जुड़ा हुआ, रूल्स और रेगुलेशन से जुड़ा हुआ है. दैट कैन बी अनदर रीजन व्हाई दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम हैपेंस. इसीलिए इस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. सो व्हेन इन अ ब्यूरोक्रेसी अ पर्सन इज रूल बाउंड, then that kind of bureaucracy becomes impersonal and rational based on rules rather than based on the patrimonial or friendship or kinship authority. But bureaucracy should never forget the border value orientation, that they are holding office under public trust. They are here to serve the public. That should not be forgotten. भले ही आप rules को follow कर रहे हो, that is very good. But when while following the rules you forget that you are actually serving the people, that becomes problematic. And that's when the officers, they miss out on the core issues. जब होता यह है कि आप बिल्कुल अंधाधुंध रूल्स को भी फॉलो करते करते इतने ज्यादा आगे बढ़ जाते हो कि आप ये भूल जाते हो कि लोगों को सर्व करने के लिए ही वो रूल्स बनाए गए हैं, तब आप कोर इश्यूज को मिस कर देते हो. इसीलिए ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, वेदर यू आर फॉलोइंग एनी रूल और रेगुलेशन, एनी ऑर्डर फ्रॉम योर सीनियर, मेक श्योर इट इज फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल. होता है ना कभी कभी the students also they give this excuse, अरे not every officer is bad, what can they do, they are having orders from above, senior के order आ गए इसलिए उन्होंने ऐसा किया. But the officers, when they were studying, they were studying for the to do for doing some certain amount of good in the society, for the society. And when by following rules blindly they forget about the welfare of the people, that is problematic. That is when the problems arise. So these are the 4 reasons that you can explain which turn an officer or any human being into an inattentive person towards the core issues. तो ये वो 4 रीजंस है जिससे कोई भी इंसान जो होता है वो क्या करता है, वो अपने आप को कोर इशू से दूर कर लेता है. नाउ देयर इज अ फिफ्थ रीजन ऑल्सो, एक फिफ्थ बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन है, एंड दैट रीजन इज, राइट इट डाउन, इट इज elitism. Elitism means, now see, you become a civil servant, and civil servants, like those people in the colonial rule, some of the people, they start thinking themselves as masters rather than the servants. Civil services, civil servant, you will become a civil servant. Servant का मतलब क्या हो जाता है यहाँ पर? So after explaining these reasons, you will write that you completely agree that such preoccupation of an administrator leads to travesty of justice to the cause of effective service delivery and good governance. आपने यहाँ पर explain कर दिए चारों रीजन, पांचों रीजन, और आप agree, ये कहोगे कि मैं agree करता हूँ कि yes, this kind of problems they arise. Now in the conclusion, what you are going to write? Conclusion में you will give a positive outlook or positive solution to this problem. Always remember, a civil servant ends a problem with a solution only. एक civil servant हमेशा किसी भी problem को solution के साथ ही खत्म करता है. So you can write that travesty of justice is injustice disguised as justice. तो अगर आप justice को किसी तरीके से distort कर रहे हो तो वो भी injustice ही होता है. An officer must remember his or her purpose of entering into this position. Why did you start preparing for this exam? You must remember. This exam is known as the civil services examination. You have to serve the society, and if you ignore the core issues, the root problem, and you focus on only the you can say important cases, important moments or scenarios, then that would lead to deterioration of peace in the society. So empathy and compassion, these are the two swords that the officer always carries with him or her at every point of time to enable and to maintain people's welfare. तो यहाँ पर आपको एक positive outlook देना है. You have to give a positive suggestion or outlook for the bureaucracy only, right? So this is how you need to handle the answers. अब देखो, the question was very easy. It was just based on your mindset. It is not a question that you will find easily in any book. This is not a question that you can answer easily from any newspaper or any other resources. This is a question that you can answer only with your analytical understanding, only with your mind, your brain. How rational, how mature your brain is will be reflected in the answer itself. आपका brain कितना परिपक्व और mature है ये आपके answer में ही reflect हो जाएगा. How in a better way you understand human mind, that will be reflected in this answer. Ethics के paper में they will test your understanding of human mind, your understanding of your own self. Okay? So this is how this paper has to be taken care of. तो मैंने अभी आपको information filtering के ऊपर यहाँ पर बताया है. When do you filter information correctly? When you are not biased. जब आप biased नहीं होते. When you are not egoistic. जब आपका ego आपसे बड़ा नहीं होता. When you do not feel elitist, जब आप अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा अलग सोसाइटी से बहुत 30 पार खान कि भाई सब मेरे नीचे है, मैं ऊपर हूं, ऐसा नहीं समझते, वो कॉलोनियल माइंडसेट आपके अंदर नहीं है, जब तब आप इंफॉर्मेशन को सही और गलत के दायरे में रख के बढ़िया तरीके से देख सकते हैं. When you are yes rule based, but you also make sure that those rules are for the welfare of the people. ओके यस, आप रूल्स का फॉलो करो, डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए, डिसिप्लिन शुड बी देयर, बट डिसिप्लिन शुड नॉट कम एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ द हार्म ऑफ द पब्लिक. ऐसा नहीं कि आपके डिसिप्लिन से पूरी जनता की बर्बादी हो रही है, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, दैट इज व्हेन you filter the information and you find out the core reason of a particular situation, and then when you understand the core reason you can very easily solve, you can very easily provide a solution. जब आप चीजों को समझ जाते हो ना बेहतर तरीके से तो सोल्यूशन निकालना बहुत इजी हो जाता है. So today the concept that we learned was information filtering, and based on this concept we'll be sharing a very important test, mock test on the group as well.